Out of hand soap. Dove Pomegranate and Hibiscus Tea Body Wash is just as effective for cleaning hands. Mild and pH balanced. Dove Rejuvenating Body Wash includes Moisture Renew Blend, a combination of skin natural nourishers and plant-based moisturizers that absorb deeply into the top layers of skin. Number 1 Dermatologist recommended body wash. Rejuvenates skin with a rich, nourishing formula designed to awaken your skin and invigorate your senses. Thoughtfully made. This body wash is PETA-certified cruelty-free and made in 100% recycled plastic bottles, so you can feel good about switching from shower soap to Dove. Plant-based moisturizer. Naturally derived cleansers and skin natural nutrients. Dove Rejuvenating Body Wash is microbiome gentle, so you'll feel beautifully nourished while maintaining healthy skin. Top reviews from the United States. I love this product, my husband does not. I think it smells great, and he agrees. I like the moisturizing effect, he thinks it feels too slick, he prefers no softener bar soap. Can't please everyone, but I know women will appreciate the best of this body wash. I have been using Dove Sensitive Skin and the regular body wash, but was attracted to the new scent they offered, so I tried it. I do hope it will be available in the larger sizes soon. I will definitely buy for my regular use. They describe this as limited edition. I hope not. It's really great overall for a body wash.